Hi everybody, I've had a parcel this morning delivered from Stihl. What I've done, bought myself a pair of these, if that gives the game away. A pair of dynamic chainsaw trousers. I've got mediums, 31 to 34 inch waist and a 32 inch leg. 32 inches is too long for me. I'm 30, but 29, 30, but that's how they come. So at the end of the day, if they drag on the floor, I'm not too bothered. Waist, I'm about a 33, but they're elasticated. Reason I bought these is I'd only got one pair. And to be honest, I'll be honest with you, they were a bit smelly. I've been wearing them constantly, and I've not washed them. I don't think I've washed them, if I'm honest, since I've had them. So it's a bit embarrassing, but so I've had to buy a second pair. So there they are. Smart looking. I've turned that up a bit. So I've already had them out of the box and just tried them on. Got reinforced knees, which is handy because at the minute I'm edge laying, so reinforced knees are going to be ideal when I'm kneeling on the ground. Like all Stihl stuff, they feel well made. All the protections in the front. I don't do any climbing or anything like that, so I don't need it all round. An absolute must, I think, is having braces, suspenders, I think they call them in America. But if you're going to keep these things up, you've got to have them on. So I've already taken them off my old pair and put them on the new pair. This pair's got a zip on. My others are buttons, which is a nuisance. So hopefully, providing that the zip's robust and it lasts. This is very silky, soft feeling fabric. Got zips in the back. I don't know what they're for. Ventilation, are they? Yeah, they got some vents in the back for ventilation. Rear pocket. I'll stick them on and you can have a look, see what you think. Here we are then. The old braces up, rock on Tommy. So they fit alright. Obviously I've got my jumper and everything tucked in there. See what I mean about the length? A bit long, but I'm not bothered what I need them for. Alright, probably if you're over 6 foot. So, nice and smart. Not for long. By the way, I bought these from a company called Radmore and Tucker. Total cost was £111. So quite reasonable for the quality. I had a bit of a look round at some other brands, but I decided to go with a Stihl. I use a Stihl chainsaw, etc., etc. So it makes sense. But I'll be honest with you, for the money and the quality of the product, I thought they were the best value really. They're not cheap things, are they? You know. I could have bought chaps, I suppose, but I don't really fancy. I don't like the thought of them. So gone for these. So the next thing is to take them outside and give them a try. The only trouble is, it is absolutely lashing down. So can't really make my mind up what to do. I don't know whether to go out or not. So I might go out a couple of hours. It's supposed to dry up a bit this afternoon, so I might wait and see. But either way, I'll do a video actually out. I'll do a video out in the field with them on, and we'll see how we go from there. All right, see you in a bit. Hello everybody. Well, I've been wearing them now for a couple of hours. Managed to get rain stopped this afternoon, so I managed to come. And I've got to say, yeah, they're very comfortable, nice, easy to wear, not cumbersome or anything like that. They're nice and high at the back, which is good. Stops your shirt coming out. Length, even though I said they were a bit long, that don't matter. If you're kneeling down and that in an edge, it stops them pulling up your leg, I suppose. Materials okay. It's been reasonably thorn proof. One or two have got in. Yeah, but other than that, I'm impressed. Knee pads work okay. They kept the wet out my knees. So all in all, thumbs up.